We are celebrating Women's History Month with Rosalind Brewer. Rosalind Brewer is an American businesswoman who is slated to become the CEO of Walgreens on March 15, 2021. At that time, she will be the only Black female CEO of a Fortune 500 company. She is currently the COO of Starbucks and the former president and CEO of Sam's Club. USA Today referred to her as one of corporate America's most prominent women and Black female executives. She became the first woman and the first African American to fill the role of CEO at one of Walmart's store divisions. In 2018, she was listed as the 34th in Forbes ranking of most powerful women.